Hey explorers, hope you are doing fine. AI boom is happening already, and it seems what really brought this change, more than the other things, if not less than the others, is the advent of AI agents and the continual enhancement of the various popular LLM models made possible by their providers. The fact that giving complete control to AI to do the complete work, right from thinking about the problem statement to figuring out its solution and also implementing it, without any human assistance in the entire process whatsoever, has already started taking shape and is finally having some form of prototype, and it is already looking impressive. An AI agent performs specific, often reactive tasks. They are the doers that execute predefined functions, whereas agentic AI is a more sophisticated system that plans, makes decisions, adapts, and learns to achieve broader objectives. On the other hand, what is really behind the frames is an AI model, often known as an LLM model. The various providers of the models, like Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, DeepSeek, etc., are in extreme competition and have already been regularly releasing more and more advanced models to keep up with the game. Each model differs in its own raw intelligence, measured from each other, with few models standing out from the rest. While each model is special in its own way, there is no particular benchmark to compare them, no matter what any AI expert tells. While there has been many attempts to find out the overall intelligence of the models despite there being many tests to handpick the best of them all, given the ever-changing AI landscape and its extreme complexity and black box nature, with the water running very deep sometimes, the site called artificialanalysis.ai compares models which are listed based upon various tests, parameters, and certain more criteria as well. The models can be compared on their intelligence, speed, price, etc. There are various intelligence evaluations like Terminal Benchmark for agentic coding and terminal use, GPQA Diamond for scientific reasoning, Humanity's Last Exam for reasoning and knowledge, etc. Other factors do help us classify the models as well, like output speed, token limit, context window size, cost efficiency, and a billion other parameters. The Open LLM Leaderboard Model Comparator from Hugging Face provides an interface to compare multiple models by evaluating their responses against multiple tasks and their selected subtasks, which are of the user's interest. LM Arena is yet another platform which changes the analysis game and takes it on a whole new level. It allows an interface where the user can feed a prompt and it fires up to two AI assistants giving some responses side by side for the user to decide the better one based upon the user's discretion. It employs a user centric approach to give the user the freedom to decide what model fits the user's use case and merely takes a simple yet profound step forward towards understanding the requirements better by taking real time feedback. OpenRouter.ai also provides the rankings for the various models hosted on it as per several parameters and benchmarks such as total token usage, market share, programming, images, etc. The leaderboard is updated continually with changing times, with each model's rankings getting changes with the flow of time. Apart from analyzing the models via these popular analysis platforms, the best way to do the same is by using the models yourself. What kinds of tasks a model excels in and what is its strengths and weaknesses is truly understood when one uses them extensively, tests them thoroughly for doing various kinds of intelligent and rigorous tasks, and at the same time truly understands how they function down to the first principle. At the end of the day, there is no hard and fast rule to realize the working of each model, and perhaps the best way is learn by doing. Some model providers provide interfaces for the user to interact with their models. Some just expose their APIs. Some even use the agentic approach to extend their interaction with their users. GitHub Copilot is a popular tool which uses agentic AI and which helps developers to code faster, and it acts just like an assistant software developer to assist the user in developing features faster, especially with more efficiency, as they say. But only legends know what kind of expertise they bring to the table. Coming to the popular web applications, which often provide a chatbot like interface for the user to use prompts to interact with the LLM models under the hood, we often hear names like ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, Mistral, Perplexity, and many more. Let's look at the features, strengths, and weaknesses of some of these platforms. First, in our list, we have the GPT-4. It comes in the category of conversational agents and it can be used for content creation and coding. Its key features and abilities include human like text, nuanced language, and best overall model. Next on our list comes the Azure OpenAI. This one can be used for content generation, summarizing, and image understanding. It has access to OpenAI models with Azure Enterprise features. Next, we have Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It's particularly good in coding and is especially known for that. Although its other advanced variants have already come up, like Claude Sonnet 4, it still is very much in the game. It can be used for the software development, coding, and content creation at the enterprise level. Its advantages are that it outperforms in coding, creative writing, and has a lower hallucination rate. Gemini 1.5 Pro is the next one on the list. It is good in data analysis, summarizing long form text, and text content generation. It has strong Google integration and is really made for large jobs. Next one is Claude 3 Haiku. It's good in translation, content moderation, and data extraction. Its features are that it handles dense documents quickly, is affordable, and can also comprehend prompts. Claude 3 Opus finds its usage in primary use cases like complex cognitive tasks, content creation, and code generation. Its features are that it offers advanced reasoning. It is accurate with long contexts and provides enhanced safety. Next on the list is Gemini 1.5 Flash. Its primary use cases are brainstorming, idea generation, content creation, and storytelling. It is known for its speed, processing large amount of text, and advanced reasoning. ChatGPT 4 comes next. Its primary use case are language processing, code generation, and marketing translation. Its key features and abilities are enhanced NLP, customization, scalability, and quick responses. GPT-4 Turbo can be used for real-time applications and also for text and document processing. It's fast, more cost-effective than GPT-4, and can handle 300-page prompts. Finally, on the list we have GPT-5. It can be used for content creation, research, deep research, image generation, and integration with various tools using connectors. The agent mode requires a ChatGPT subscription of $20 a month, and with this you can make up to 40 agent task calls per month. Being the latest model by ChatGPT, it sure is expensive as hell. GPT-5's agent mode is actually great for research and analysis where you can actually verify results. Having talked about some of the most popular models, now I wanna test some of them for a simple web page creation using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No fancy frameworks and no complex technologies to keep things straight and simple. I will be prompting ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity with my custom Markdown prompt, also providing the assets for generating the web page. This is the prompt which I will be using. As you can see, I have included all the sections like role, context, instructions, etc. While prompting the model, I faced some challenges, like I couldn't attach unlimited assets to a directive prompt, and they got limited to either 3, 8, 20, etc. of them depending upon the model. This really hampered the productivity and the idea of coming up with a full web page as desired. I am not saying that my prompt is perfect, but it is also true that the same prompt is used everywhere. Not to mention that I am also using the free plan for all the models, and there's that as well. ChatGPT came up with an incomplete web page. Claude came up with something, but there were alignment issues, coloring issues, and also the placement of components, but still it was not fully complete. Copilot did a better job than the two, but still it was not up to the mark, although it managed to include pretty much all the sections and the sticky header as well. Perplexity also did a better job than ChatGPT and Claude, but the sections were uneven and not looking appealing. Even the icons seemed distorted, and it surely felt like some web page made in great haste, just for the sake of creating a web page. Gemini did the best job among them all. However, the participating schools section was not designed accurately with overlapping marquees, but the color coding and the proportions seemed decent, and by far it did the best job among them all. So these are the rankings for them along with the key takeaways. The final product always depends on many factors and not just the prompt, and it's essential to keep that in mind. Anyways, I try to do some sort of analysis and try to do some sort of comparison between some of the popular models, and the key findings are purely my own and not obviously concrete. Feel free to comment your thoughts below and also let me know which one you like using the most and what you like the most in that. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so that you never miss an update whenever it hits the channel. Peace out.